2023, Balluff has made significant investments to strengthen our global production and logistics network. This project here in Aguascalientes, with a loan 50 million euros investment, will make our supply chains for the Americas region more resilient and flexible. So thanks a lot for the local team. You've done a great job, and I look forward to see this factory grow and prosper for the company.
An international Balluff project team set up a new production site in record time. From groundbreaking to start of production in just 8 months. A real fast-track project. Thanks a lot to all colleagues and partners involved.
I'm really proud of what we have achieved as a company. We truly felt one team and a global Balluff team spirit. Everybody worked hand in hand to make it happen. So a big thank you to all involved colleagues.
Even though the world is more connected than ever, we believe business is done at the local and regional level, and this includes manufacturing. Having a manufacturing location in our region helps us be close to not only our customers, but our vendors as well. In 2023, we will generate over 160 million euro in sales revenue in the Americas. This represents over 1/4 of the total Balluff revenue generated worldwide. And we expect this number to grow bigger and faster with the addition of our new manufacturing facility in Mexico.
With this new production site, we will be able to deliver all the Americas with the best quality local products, the best availability and delivery performance.
We use state-of-the-art production technology for great sensor and automation solutions in a sustainable building, and provide optimal working conditions for staff. Today, our team in Aguascalientes counts more than 60 persons, but will grow up to 700 employees within the next years to contribute to the Balluff targets. Big thank you to the international team who supported this great project.
I am part of a skilled and dedicated team. When I started working for Balluff, I clearly felt the special Balluff family spirit. Everyone works together.
I am part of the Balluff family for 13 years now, and I can tell you that Balluff stands for a safe, rewarding and stable work environment in the fast-growing and attractive industrial automation industry.
We founded our activities in Mexico, in Querétaro, more than 20 years ago, and I'm very pleased to see how these activities have developed. Now we are adding further production in Aguascalientes to show our commitment and to add more support to our worldwide activities.
Balluff is a 4th-generation family business. It makes me very proud to see what we have achieved together in the Americas region since the first founding of our subsidiaries in the 80s. And I'm really looking forward walking on this way together with the new team, our partners and suppliers here in Aguascalientes.